We strive to provide our customers with the best service possible, so when we get a 5-star review and they say things like this, well, we have to show it to the world. After reading this, our staff was really excited about the great job we've done. It makes us happy when our customers are happy. We strive to provide the best service around, and we pride ourselves in providing the best customer service there is. Let us help you with our excellent customer service as well as our years of knowledge and experience. Let our company earn your business. So why wait? Call us on the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.